Song that is for
Cannot
it.
be missed and it felt by the other party. This booklet invites me enter the inter parties to participate in a course which aims to enrich the love relationship as well as life itself.
Akala ko maibig sabihin ang pag-like mo sa status ko sa Facebook. Nagre-reply ka rin sa Twitter. Akala ko huli na. Pero nakita ko kahapon may pinost kang maganda. Ang hirap, sabi mo sa akin, kaibigan mo lang siya. Ang hirap pala maging T-A-N-G-A. Ang hirap pala maging T-A-N-G-A. Pinapaasa mo lang ako kasi alam mo na crush kita. Di bale o dati pa. May patanong-tanong ka pa kung sino nasa Facebook tabs ko. Hoy, tungkol yon sa'yo. Hindi sana ako na lang ang girlfriend mo. Para gusto ko nang sabihin yung message mo. Mahirap pala maging T-A-N-G-A. Mahirap pala maging T-A-N-G-A. Pinapaasa mo lang ako kasi alam mo na crush kita. Oo na, crush kita. Baby Moises. But when she could hide him no longer, she got a papyrus basket from him, caught it with tar and pitch. Then she placed in it and put it among the reeds along and bank the Nile. Exodus 2:23. Pharaoh was the new king of Egypt. He feared the children of Jacob, now called the Israelites. The Israelites are growing too strong. If there is a war, they may fight against us and defeat us. To keep this from happening, he made the Israelites into slaves and put Egyptian masters over them. But no matter how unkind the Egyptian slave masters were or how hard their work became, the Israelites continued to grow in number. Pharaoh became too angry. He passed a law, ordering every Israel's baby boy born be drowned in the Nile River, and that a baby boy was born to an Israelite family. Fearing Pharaoh's decree, the mother hid the baby for months. But when he began to cry and move out, she had to do something to save him. She decided to make a large basket out of the reeds that grew near the river.